floor and you made bao, and it was like 10 minutes, no joke. The longest time is like heating up the steamer. Okay, put this away. We will need hot. I have an idea it would work. Meals that cost under a certain price. The thing that like the problem is with meals like that is different countries, like $10. Is that like all your ingredients? You're paying $10 for kind of like 3 things. It's hard for people because it's a larger upfront cost, but your cost per meal will be broken down if you buy things in bulk. But I'm definitely keen. What I can do is like you can make for $30, for instance, make 5 meals, because that money will go further rather than doing 1 meal for $10. You could spend $30 and make 4 meals, 5 meals. I'd be interested in doing that. Because then you'll be able to actually buy stuff and use it in multiple ways, like getting 1 chicken breast, using it this way and then using it that way, kind of like this. If you broke this down, so far we've used 2 chicken breast. Yeah, 2 chicken breast. Stir fry, used 1, and then this has got bacon in it as well. You could work out the cost of this. It wouldn't be too expensive. Obviously, like this noodle packet, $5, but you use it in 2 different ways. I need a saucepan. I had a saucepan, didn't I? There it is. I don't know if this one will work. It's too small. Okay. All right. So we've got so far gnocchi, tomato feta gnocchi. We've got pad thai, fried rice, stir fry. We're gonna make one more, which is gonna be, oh God. I need something to reach up high. Oh man, I don't wanna get my step ladder. Gonna have to. Another great thing that I can do next time, like these are obviously a lot of these are Asian inspired, and not for everyone. Like I know Exceed, his Asian food isn't his favorite cuisine, like flavors. So we could do like more Italian food, showing you how to like use 1 kilo or 2 pounds of beef mince. Would be pretty cool. So yeah, the longest time is going to be heating up and cooking the steamer. Just takes the longest time. Pan here. Bao, we're going to steam that. These are a pack of 8. Now they come in I've noticed, I had to buy these from IGA, a different grocery store. Now they come in a pack of